belly of pork. Be careful, yeah? It starts to spit. We're going to put 3 or 4 portions in, some tin foil over, and just put it to the back of the stove, OK? So with the pork tonight, we're serving, yes, the mustard mash, the broccoli, and the caramelised apples. Now, you need some heat in that pan, sugar in, and that's going to form a nice caramel, OK? A nice teaspoon of mustard, right at the last minute, in with the mashed potato. A nice mustard mash. So, right, GB, what's with the broccoli? What's in the pot with it?
Onions, almonds, and capers.
That's right. Apples, nicely coloured. And then finished with some fresh spring onions in, and a little bit of chopped tarragon. Yeah? OK, now the tarragon, the apples, the spring onion is amazing. Look, that is just mind-blowing. Good. Belly of pork is cheap and delicious, but it's the loin that's the real classy cut. I want every single diner paying for their main course. Let's go. Right, ladies. 4 nice belly of pork.
Yes,
let's go, Peter. 4 pork away. Yes. Right, let's go, Lucy Lou. GB. 4 portions of pork away.
Yes, Gordon.
Let's go, please, yes?
Yeah, potato. I can do that bit.
Let's put it back.
Apples on. You want to get that pan really hot next time. Let's go. Quick. So that has to be the perfect way of eating Trini and Susanna, yeah? Go. 10 or 10. Right. Lucy.
Yes, Gordon.
Yeah? GB, please.
Yes, Gordon.
4 more away.
Yes, Gordon.
Yes, Gordon.
Belly of pork in.
Gordon, I've got a question. Are these...
Francesca, you're going to have to shout at me. I can't hear you.
Are these burnt or are they
burnt?
caramelised?
Sherry, toss them. They're caramelised, yes?
OK.
Right.
Okay.
Lovely. Up we go. Let's go.
Just need the potatoes.
Now look, doesn't that look fantastic?
It does.
Table 8, yeah, go. Let's go.
Take that pan away from me.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I need 2 fours now, yeah?
OK.
2 fours away. Ladies, last tables, yes?
Yes, Gordon.
Yeah, make them the best.
Yes,
just like the
Gordon.
first table, yes?
Right, the first.
Oh, hello.
Careful.
This is great. I love it. Fantastic. Right, OK.
Would you pay for those?
100%.
100%.
Definitely.
GP, yeah.
Definitely.
Fantastic.
I think it's
Well
no
done.
question.
Table 8, go.
Thank you.
Come here. 2 seconds, please. Well done. Yeah, hard.
Yes, Gordon.
A lot going on there.
Definitely.
Yeah, well done.
Tough.
You didn't let yourselves down. More importantly, you didn't let the girls down, did you? Trini and Susanna, well done.
No, let me
Clear down.
Thank you.
I thought it was amazing. I really, really liked it. There were loads of different varieties of textures and sort of tastes in there. I thought that obviously there were a lot of quite elaborate flavours, but they merged together quite well.
The belly of pork I've never had before, so I was a bit worried about that, but I absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it.
That was superb, like the different variations. I've never had like crackling before as well. Thought it was absolutely fantastic. The accompaniments as well, the mash and the vegetables, superb. Can't fault it. Can't fault it at all.
Lovely.
So nice to see you. How are you? Well,
Marie didn't get any crackling, so we had a little word, and look what came. We got an extra crackling.
are you managing being married to this hippie? Always looking for freebies. Always on the scrounge. And such a messy cook.
That you're right.
Honestly, I mean, you must go mad, no?
A little bit.
As an expert with pigs, yeah, what do you think of the loin and the belly?
Honestly, delicious.
Really?
Really
Good.
lovely.
Coming from you, that means a lot. You know that. A big thanks for all the help you put into those pigs. I don't think
You've
we could
enjoyed
have
them,
done it
haven't you?
without Yeah, I have enjoyed them, and it's been an amazing experience, but highly emotional. You know, I didn't think pigs could be
I
so
know, you had a tough
attachable.
time
Yeah,
when you took
tough.
them to slaughter.
I mean, the children, obviously,
They're over here tucking in.
they're tucking it away and they're obsessed with the crackling, but I'd never thought they'd been that excited about it from sort of 3 months ago when they start sort of getting in the pen and they're all sort
They've
of...
got
you know,
over it
nursing.
quicker than you have.
I'm looking forward to the challenge, yes.
I can't believe
Get
I've got to go
prepared.
do some cooking in a minute.
Yeah, I know. I mean,
I'm having such a lovely, relaxing
Get prepared.
time.
Get prepared to
I'm
lose.
not feeling competitive. Guess what? I'm not feeling competitive.
Aren't you? I'll see you later.
I will do when I get
Good
in
to
there.
see you. Thank you.
Cheers.
Right. Hello. Hello.
How are you?
Hello, my ladies. How are you? Jack, did you enjoy the pigs? Megan, did you enjoy looking after the pigs?
Yeah.
Yes? Do they taste better because you reared them and grew them?
Honey's still eating.
You suggested that we have cows in the back garden.
Not on your Nelly. When you were gone
What do you
this
mean?
morning, we had the new grass laid. No cows.
No,
So there we go.
listen.
It's not no comment. It's no bloody cows.
What about a donkey for Christmas? Yes. Lambs. Yeah, baby lambs. I'm so glad you enjoyed the pigs. Good to see you. See you later, guys. Save room for dessert, yes? JB, where is he? How did it go down?
Very well.
Very well, yes?
Very, very well.
The feedback was what?
Very juicy, They love the flavors, nice combination with the apples and the pork.
Yes.
They love the mash, absolutely beautiful.
Fantastic. Tell me, how many customers are not paying for the main course?
None.
Yes! Seriously?
Yeah.
Not one?
Yeah.
Not one?
No one.
That's fantastic.
Well done.
Well done, well done, well done. That's fucking amazing.